Welcome to the channel. If you're passionate about geology, earth science, field tools, and rock identification, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of the Estwing Geological hammer, one of the most trusted and durable rock hammers used by geologists around the world. When you're standing on a rocky cliff chasing Earth's hidden history, one tool can make all the difference: the legendary Estwing Geological hammer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to support the channel and stay updated with more amazing content. So, what is Estwing hammer? An Estwing E-22P geological hammer, or any Estwing geological hammer model, is a professional-grade rock hammer designed specifically for geologists. It's built to help you break, crack, chip, and pry rocks and minerals during fieldwork, making it an essential tool for exploring Earth's surface. For geologists, field researchers, students, and rockhounds, a geological hammer is more than just a tool. It's a trusted field companion. Among all the options available in the market, the Estwing Geological hammer has built a reputation for durability, balance, and reliability. Known for its one-piece forged steel construction and shock reduction grip, this hammer is designed to withstand the toughest terrains and hardest rocks. What's special about this hammer? Build quality and durability. The Estwing Geological hammer is forged from a single piece of American steel. This one-piece construction eliminates weak joints, making it extremely strong and long-lasting. Whether you're breaking igneous rocks or splitting sedimentary layers, it handles impact effortlessly. Shock reduction grip. One of its standout features is its patented shock reduction grip. It minimizes vibration by up to 70%, reducing strain on your wrist during long fieldwork sessions. For geologists, field researchers, students, and rockhounds, this is a game changer. Perfect balance. The hammer is well balanced, giving you excellent control and precision. The pointed pick end is ideal for prying and fossil extraction, while the flathead delivers clean, powerful strikes. Field performance. From mountain cliffs to riverbeds, this hammer performs reliably in every geologic setting. It resists rust, survives accidental drops, and maintains its edge even after repeated heavy use. Any drawbacks? Slightly heavier compared to beginner hammers. Premium price point. But honestly, its durability justifies the investment. Imagine you're on a remote hillside during a field survey. The sun is setting and you spot an interesting rock formation. With one solid strike of your Estwing hammer, the rock splits open, revealing beautiful mineral crystals inside. In that moment, you realize you're not just holding a hammer, you're holding the key to discovering Earth's secrets. That's the confidence this tool gives you. If you're serious about geology, mineral collection, or field research, investing in the Estwing Geological hammer is a smart decision. Choose durability, choose precision, choose reliability. In the world of geology, tools matter, and when it comes to strength, comfort, and long-term performance, the Estwing Geological hammer stands out as a true field legend. Whether you're a student or a professional geologist, this hammer is built to last, just like the rocks it helps you explore.